employer. But for Canada, dahil marami nagtatanong ng Canada, ayan po mga opening namin for Canada. Ang final interview niyan will be 3rd and 4th week of May 2025. May millwright, may welder na open for male and female. Yung shippers and receivers, yes, online lang po pwede yan. Procurement clerk, online lang pwedeng applyan. Bus driver, ayan, dapat po may driver's license. Kailangan malamig ang ulo at wala pong traffic violation. Okay? May laborer din po tayo. May conveyor belt technician. Nakita ko may inquiry kanina na conveyor belt technician. Okay, safety officer. Ayan, at saka crane operator. Naku, marami nagtatanong ng crane operator. Ayan, meron na po tayo. Industrial manager, accountant, at saka po yan, CNC machinist and heavy equipment mechanic. Yan ang Canada natin ngayon. Ngayon yung New Zealand natin na inaabangan.